Hey everyone! If you're wondering about safer havens for your hard-earned money beyond the traditional bank account, you're in the right place. Today, I'm diving into the top 6 assets that might just be better and safer than keeping your cash in the bank. Let's get into it. First up, real estate. Owning property isn't just about having a roof over your head. It's a tangible asset that generally appreciates over time. Whether it's residential or commercial, real estate can generate passive income through rent and potentially offer tax advantages too. Next, we have gold. This precious metal has been a symbol of wealth and a store of value for thousands of years. Gold is not only a hedge against inflation, but also a safe asset during economic uncertainties. It's like the world's ancient form of securing wealth. Moving on, let's talk about stocks, specifically dividend-paying stocks. While the stock market can be volatile, investing in established companies that regularly pay dividends can provide a steady stream of income. Plus, you have the potential for capital gains. It's a double win. Fourth on the list are bonds. Considered one of the safest investments, bonds are essentially loans you give to the government or corporations in exchange for periodic interest payments. At maturity, you get your initial investment back. It's predictable and steady. Number 5, we've got mutual funds, especially those that are index-based. These funds spread out your investment across multiple assets, reducing risk and requiring less hands-on management. It's a set-it-and-forget-it kind of deal, perfect for those who want both safety and diversity. Lastly, let's not overlook cryptocurrencies. A bit more on the risky side, but for those who are tech-savvy and looking for high-reward opportunities, cryptocurrencies can be a game changer. They're decentralized, and some, like Bitcoin, have a cap on supply, creating an intrinsic value similar to that of gold. So there you have it, 6 compelling assets that might just be safer and potentially more profitable than parking your money in a standard bank account. Whether you're looking for stability, income, or growth, diversifying your portfolio with these options could significantly enhance your financial health. Remember, always do your own research or consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.